The trip to France changed 19-year-old James's life forever. James trained with famous restaurateurs such as Monsieur Campbell and practiced cooking with chefs in the home of the Prince de Condé. Hemings likely learned to make macaroni and cheese during this time and popularized this new dish when he returned to America. Eventually, James became the head chef at Thomas's home in Paris. In France, slavery was illegal, and Thomas had to pay James wages for his work. Even though James could have sued Thomas for his freedom, he decided not to. No one is sure why he didn't, but it wasn't easy for a Black American in the Western world. James probably didn't want to be separated from his family. Thomas also promised James that one day he would make